Hi everyone. Today our problem is to build a triangle with the stars, and to write it with JavaScript we're gonna have four functions. The first function we have is for our space numbers, and how you see we've written here our function name is space, how we see, and the input is a. And look, here if our input is 0, uh, it returns nothing. Else, in other cases, if our input is another number, we're gonna have space and plus our function with input minus 1. Then our second function is for our star numbers, and the function is called stars, and our input is the u. And if our u equals 1, it will return us a star. And for other cases, it will return us a star plus stars input minus 1. Our third function is our regulator. It's this one. And our fourth function is the general function with which we build our triangle. And in the end, we have the function, and we have to write here the input and get our triangle. So let's see what's going on. For example, if our input is 2, it means here we have for our triangle stars function in this function we have written the regulator function. And if we put the 2, we're gonna have here 2, 1, and 1, which is for our regulator function, which like the same. And if we have 2 for G, we have 2 for sternum, we're gonna have 1, and for spacenum, we're gonna have also 1. And here our console log provides us our first row, and how we see, if we have for spacenum 1, if we put in spacenum in our input 1, it will return us 1 space. And when if we have here our for our stars function, if we put here the 1, how we see we're gonna get just 1 star. It means we're gonna have in our first row 1 space and then 1 star. Then our regulator provides our triangle, the other rows. It means, let's see, if for G we had 2, yes, and for example for second row we're gonna have this is our this gonna be 1. It means our like second row, because we start our rows from 0 then 1. The star room, we got 1. It means we're gonna have 3 stars. And for space node we had 1. It means here this one equals to 0. It means we're gonna have no spaces. So let's see what will happen in console. How we see here, we have on the zero row just one star, then on the first row we have three stars, how I told you. Then if here we put, for example, 5, we gonna have here like stars triangle. So that's it.